Hello and welcome to my channel Civil Gossips. Today I will be explaining 20 geography MCQs in English because all the state public service commission are conducting their examination in English. So it would be easier for you to get familiar with the terms so that you do not face any difficulty while solving MCQ during your examination. So here we start with our first question. So the first question is which of the following imaginary line almost divides India into two equal parts? First option Ecuador, second Tropic of Cancer, Hemisphere or Tropic of Capricorn. So here the answer is Tropic of Cancer. It touches 7 states of India and divides India into two equal parts, almost equal parts. So second question, which of the following water bodies is the home of Lakshadweep? Lakshadweep is situated on which sea or which water body? Options are Bay of Bengal, B Arabian Sea, C Indian Ocean, D Pacific Ocean. Here the answer is Arabian Sea. On Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep is situated, and Lakshadweep is situated on Arabian Sea. So the right option is Arabian Sea. Question number 3. Which of the following region supports the Karawa Formation? The Karawa Formation is supported by which region? The answer is D. Kashmir Himalaya. So this is the answer, right answer, Kashmir Himalaya. You know that Karawa is famous for saffron cultivation, and it is primarily cultivation done in Kashmir Himalayas on the banks of Jhelum River. So the answer is D. Kashmir Himalaya. Fourth, where is the Loktak Lake situated? Question number 4, Loktak Lake. Option number A Kerala, B Uttaranchal, C Manipur, D Rajasthan. So Loktak Lake is situated in Manipur. It is a famous lake. It is called the floating lake of India. Only floating lake. So it would be very easy for you to remember where Loktak Lake is situated. It is situated in Manipur. Question number 4, answer is Manipur. Question number 5, which of the following water bodies separates the Andaman from the Nicobar? Andaman and Nicobar is separated by which water body? And the options are 10-degree channel, Gulf of Mannar, 11-degree channel, and the Andaman Sea. Here the answer is 10-degree channel. Andaman and Nicobar is separated by 10-degree channel. Question number 6, which of the following hill ranges dominated by the Dodavata peak? Here the question can come in a different way, or which hill ranges Dodavata is the highest peak of which hill range. So whatever the questions come, however the question come, the answer would be same. The Dodavata peak is situated in which of the range? The options are Nilgiri Hills, B Annaimala Hills, C Cardamom Hills, and D Nallamala Hills. So the answer is Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills, highest peak of Nilgiri Hills is the Dodavata peak. And here Cardamom Hills, you can also remember Cardamom Hills is the southernmost range in India. Southernmost hill range in India. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Which of the following river is called as the Sorrow of Bengal? Sorrow of Bengal. Here the options are the Gandak, B the Son, C the Ganga, and D the Damodar. Here the answer is the Damodar, which runs between a rift valley and is situated in the Chotanagpur Plateau. Chotanagpur Plateau is called the Sword of Bengal because it is very prone to flooding, and after the construction of the Damodar Dam in 1948, the flooding has reduced to an extent. So Damodar has been tamed, but earlier, because of the high because of its flooding and all the uh, natural disaster, it was called the Sword of Bengal. Now moving on to the next question, question number 8, which of the following rivers flows in a rift valley? A rift valley, which of the following rivers flows between the rift valley? The options are the shown, the Yamuna, Narmada, Luni. Answer is Narmada. The Narmada runs between the rift valley, and there are two other rivers which run through a rift valley. They are river Tapti and Damodar. Then moving on to the next question. Next question is, which one of the following river has the largest river basin in India? Largest river basin. The options are the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Krishna. So the answer is the Ganga, which originated from Gomutra, and it is 2525 kilometer long, and it merges to the Bay of Bengal after making the largest delta in the world, Sundarban Delta, which is the largest delta in the world, and is constructed by the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. So question number 9, largest basin in India is of the Ganges. Question number 10th, which one of the following river is not a part of Panchad? Panchad, you know, is the 5 tributary of the Indus. So the Indus is not a part of the Panchad, but the 5 river which are the tributary of Indus is called Panchad. So Indus is the answer. Panchad is Ravi, Chenab, Indus, Beas and Satadru. Question number 11. Which one of the following describes the drainage pattern resembling the branches of a tree? Like the branches of a tree, there is a pattern which runs like as if it is the branches of a tree. So that pattern is called A. Options are radial pattern, centrifugal pattern, dendritic pattern and trellis pattern. The pattern that is like branches of a tree is called dendritic pattern. So the answer is dendritic pattern. Question number 12. In which of the following states the Uller Lake is located? Uller, as you know, is a freshwater lake of Kashmir. Freshwater lake of Kashmir. So the right answer is D, Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 13. The river Narmada has originated from. River Narmada has originated from. The options are A. Satpura, B. Amarkantak, C. Brahmagiri, D. Himalayas. So the answer here is B. Amarkantak. Can you name another river which has originated from Amarkantaka? Can you name that river? Please write me in the comment section if you know the answer of the question. Other than Narmada, which river has originated from Amarkantaka? 14. Question number 14 is, which one of the following is the longest river of the peninsular India? Peninsular India, where the non-perennial rivers are originated and they flow in the southern part of the India. So let us see the options. A. Narmada, Godavari, C. Krishna, D. Mahanadi. So the longest river in peninsular India is Godavari. which is 1400 plus kilometer long. So the answer is Godavari. And another fact here is that Godavari is a east moving river, but if the question comes which is the longest west moving, then the answer would be what? Narmada. Okay. Can you name another west moving river? Another west moving river uh, except Narmada. So if you know, please write me in the comment section. Question number 15. Which one of the following rivers flows through a rift valley? So the options are A. Damodar, B. Tapi, C. Tungabhadra, and D. both A and B. So the answer here is both Damodar and Tapi, they run through a rift valley. So the answer would be both A and B. So the right answer of the question is option number D, both A and B, both Damodar and both Damodar and Tapi. Question number 16. A landmass bounded by sea on all sides referred to as island. Island is a landmass which is bounded by sea or water body on all sides. Question number 17. Mountain ranges in the eastern part of India forming its boundary with Myanmar collectively called as the ranges which is close to the Myanmar border is the Purvanchal. That is situated in the India-Myanmar border. So the answer here is B, the Purvanchal. 18. The western coastal stripe of Goa is referred to as western coastal stripe of Goa, that is referred to as Kannad. That is 30-kilometer long stripe. You can remember that 30-kilometer long stripe which is called Kannad. That is western coastal stripe of Goa is referred to as Kannad. 17. The highest peak in the eastern Ghat is western Ghat is Mahendragiri. And can you name the highest peak of Western Ghat? Can you name the highest peak of Western Ghat? If you know, please write in the comment section. And question number 20 is which is the world's largest peninsula? World's largest peninsula is of both A and B. Both India and South Africa has got world's largest peninsula. So here we complete the 20 MCQ on geography. We will be continuing the parts. Part 2, part 3 will come. We will be covering around 1000 MCQ on geography on various topics from Indian physical geography to the soils to drainage and demography too. So please stay connected with our channel and please subscribe to get this MCQ, and I am explaining history in Bengali. If you are interested, please check our playlist. I will be giving you the links in the description, and you can also join our Facebook page and also join our Instagram handle. So